Okay, welcome back, guys, and welcome to a live stream session today, Raise 14th, and of course we were early on this one, hoping to prepare for before the London Open. And of course, this is a live session with JIB Trader, and today we're going to be looking at maybe just a pair or two anyway, just to prepare and see if we can find any opportunity on the pair before the London Open. So, like I said, I'm going to be trading just 3 pairs in this year, and that's basically the Euro USD, GBP USD, and USD JPY. So on my screen I have Euro USD, so we're going to see quickly what happened yesterday, and I would look to give us more information about what is going to happen today. So basically, let's go over to the daily. Yesterday we had a strong sell candle. Let's see if we had a bearish confirmation, because we can see that the day before we had an engulfing candle, but rejected a whole lot from maybe this level. So let's see what's yesterday. And of course, we can see we have a break to the downside. That's looking to confirm that we're going to have more sales today. So basically today, it looks like we'll be looking for more sales, and where would our targets be? Let's go over to the weekly and see what we're. For me, I'm going to be looking for targets around here, this level, and possibly this zone. So let's see where they land on the daily. Daily looks like this one again. And of course, I would usually think my first target to be the external range liquidity on this, and on the daily, I'm also going to be taking cognizance of this level. So basically, I have all of these levels to chase as targets. So now we have a sell bias coming up. We're expecting to also, where are we going to have price probably retrace into. I like to say that I don't know if price can come here, but that's a very good area to reject from. But let's see if we have more clarity on the 4-hour. Okay, the 4-hour, let's see. I can also mark this level and this level. I'm not expecting price to probably take this high. This high would become a valid inducement for possibly this level or this level if we are able to take structure at this point. So basically, I'm looking to have sales and drop into this level basically today. So I'm going to take out all of these and focus on these levels and see where price is looking to reject from. Also take out this. And so let me see something on the daily. Okay. Back to the 1 hour. Number one, our levels look unmitigated. I'm also going to be concerned with this. So let's see under 15 minutes. 15 minutes, I will take this. I think we need to go down to much more lower time frame to be sure that these levels are unmitigated. Let's go down to the 5 minutes. Basically, I'm seeing that this level has been tapped into, and most likely this one, but I think this one is still quite open. Let's get more clarity with much more lower time frames. 3 minutes. This level has been tapped into, this level has been tapped into, and this level has been tapped into, leaving us with just this level. Just this level. So let me see if we're prior to see market coming into any of these. So let's also go down to our lowest possible time frame, that's the 1 minute, and see if we're right about the levels being taken on the 3 minutes. And yes, we are very, very right. This level taken, this level taken, this level taken. So hopefully we're going to be taking out all of these. See, they're already taken. And we can now say that these are just our area of interest. This zone becomes our area of interest. So if we see markets come into this place, maybe during the London open and give a break and retest, and we're good to go. We change this over to the 15 minutes and see what we have. So we have all of this zone available to tap into. So possibly we can expect price to come here at London open and give a break, and we're good to go. And you can see we have liquidity sitting right above that area. So possibly this is going to be our bias, our the potential we're looking at for. And of course, external range liquidity is also being induced by the low of last 2 days. So basically, we'll be looking to have this. Let's see what happens. Let's see the potential. Because one of my rules is I'm going to be taking trades, let's say from minimum, let's say 1:4, and 1:5. Good. This 1:6. If I should extend my levels to this, okay. My levels at this high, I still have 1:5, so let's see what happens. I think I would want to go in aggressively, but this is also a good opportunity. I think is what the risk 1:5. We drop all the way down to this place. So basically, I'm going to So as for Euro USD, let me see if we have some sort of opportunity on the GBP USD. Going to clear all previous analysis and let's look at how the day finished off. On the daily, we've quite been bearish. You can see we had a break of structure, and this area has already broken for sure. And in this area, you can see price mitigated this area. And let's see from the candle yesterday what's really happened. If we really had a break to the downside to maybe confirm if we're going to continue being bearish. So on the 4-hour, we did have a break of structure here. Break of structure here. So basically, I'm also going to be coming for the external range liquidity. If we have any sales from maybe around this level, I'm also going to be coming for the external range liquidity. And for me, my next target, let's go over to the daily and see, or weekly, and see the points of interest that we have to look into. Like this. So if we're seeing sales, then following this sales, then I can consider this level potential take profit level, which is I think the only level I'm seeing on the weekly closest to external range liquidity. So on the daily, I'm also going to look into this area. So possibly I'm looking at these two areas as a potential take profit. Every other area can be hit afterwards. If we break below this low, then you might be targeting this. But for now, I'll keep my targets around here. And let's see what we can have. So on the daily, I'm going to probably expect some price to come into this high and drop. But let's see where that level. Okay, on the 4-hour, that same level looks almost very close to our breakup block level. So then on the 4-hour, I'm also going to mark these two levels. See if we have, of course, I'm marking all of this level, and we're going to be checking the levels on the time frames to see if they've been mitigated. So on the 1 hour, we can not see very much details. Then on the 50 minutes, let's see where we are. Okay, not so clear. So not so clear. Let's keep going down the lower time frame. So on the 5 minutes, this level has been mitigated. We only have just about this level. So I'm going to leave that and move over to the next lower time frame. Let's get more details. On the 3 minutes, we have this break block level still very much open. just like we saw on the 5 minutes, this level has been mitigated. I don't know about this level. Let's see where we finally need to have our possible entries. Okay, and on the 1 minute it's very clear. This level has been tapped into. So we're going to pull that out. This level has been tapped into. We're also going to pull that out. And we can see that we're going to take out this one and use our breaker block level. I would like to use this. Yeah. So we're going to be using this as our entry and this level as our stop point, because that's the last point of mitigation. Or let's say we can use this high. I think it's safer. So let's see what we are up to on the 15 minutes. So, and of course, our first target will be on the external liquidity, which is the Asian section of the slope. So let's grab a cup and see. Oh, like 1:5 at least. Okay. Good. So this is my entry for GU. This is my entry for GU, and as simple as it comes. So I think let's see from here. I think I'll be going with direct entries and see what happens during the session. So basically, I think these are a very short stream for us because this was very much straightforward, and of course, I'm also going to be looking to upload this video on my YouTube channel so you can also watch and learn a thing or two from it. And hopefully, if you are a beginner trader, we also have a mentorship program. And even as an advanced trader, you want to also learn more pro tips on how to use the market analysis. Of course, in my analysis this morning, I'm not very detailed because I just have to. It's not like a thorough teaching. It's just like a market scout. So basically, one of them to explain the reason why we put this line and put it, but basically, we're clear enough to have you convinced about why we're picking our entries and everything. So if you want a very detailed session, that's available on our mentorship program. And of course, if you're not also available for our mentorship program, you can make money off our signals. And very simple. So you can do well to contact the name link on the Telegram channel. You can also text or chat on the YouTube, and I will be seeing your chats and everything, and I will reply. So basically, that will lead us to the end of this session, and I'm hoping that we're actually having a good time today with entries, and we'll look forward to seeing you again tomorrow. That's going to happen. So do want to like, share, and subscribe if you're seeing this video on my YouTube channel, and I'll be looking forward to seeing you on the next one. So bye for now.